Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have discussed the reaction, that is oxidation and reduction. Today, we will discuss the effect of oxidation on the various substances, in which we studied the effect of oxidation in our daily life. Now, what are the effects of oxidation in our daily life? In which first we will discuss the corrosion. Now, what do you mean by corrosion? Corrosion is that whenever we placed the metal under the influence of air, moisture or acid, then the layer of oxide formed on metal, which weakens the metal, that is called corrosion. For example, there are different types of corrosion takes place. For example, rusting of iron. Second is corrosion of silver, that is black layer formed on silver. Similarly, corrosion of copper, there is a greenish color formed on copper. Now, the first one is rusting of iron. Whenever rusting of iron takes place, a brownish red color layer formed on the surface of iron and it becomes iron oxide. That is, the formula is Fe2O3.XH2O. It's too much important formula. Formula of ferric oxide or formula of corrosion of iron is Fe2O3.XH2O. Similarly, whenever black coating on silver is formed, then what is formed here? Ag2S. It is called silver sulfide. Now the next is whenever greenish color formed on copper, then what will form? There forms CuCO3 or CuOH whole twice. It is called copper carbonate or copper hydroxide. These three are most important and generally come in the examination. That what is the formula for rusting of iron, what is the formula for black coating of silver, and what is the formula for greenish color layer formed on the copper. Now the next second is rancidity. Now, what do you mean by rancidity? The oxidation of fats and oils takes place when they left under air. For example, it will take the eatable things to bad smell or foul smell or bad taste. That is called rancidity. Rancidity means the spoilage of food. The spoilage of food means when the food is not able to eat. That is called the rancidity. Now, what we have to do to prevent the rancidity? Firstly, we do preservatives to preserve the things. Preservatives or airtight containers or we used nitrogen gas. These are the preservatives which we use to prevent rancidity. Now the famous preservative is sodium benzoate. It is a 1 mark question which generally held in the examination. The famous preservative is sodium benzoate. Why we use nitrogen gas? Because it prevents oxidation and preserve our food. So that's why nitrogen gas is used in chips packets in which oxygen is removed. Instead of oxygen, where we place nitrogen gas there, which is used to prevent oxidation. That is why the chips are having long life in the nitrogen filled packets. So these are the effects of oxidation, in which first is corrosion and second is rancidity. So these all are about the effect of oxidation.